Hey guys, welcome back to another quick inform video. Just a quick note before I start the video, I want to say I'm sorry for the bad audio quality that I had with the Moto E5 Play review. As you can see it, here it is. I don't know, I was testing out a Samsung Galaxy S5, even though the camera was really good. I don't know what happened to the mic. I don't know if it was clogged up, but the frequency was really horrible on it. So I tried to fix it as much as I could. I just didn't want to redo the whole video just because I think I had really good content on there, even though the audio was a little bad. So hopefully you can apologize. Hopefully you can understand. Yeah, guys, let's move on. So hopefully do give it a thumbs up, though I did try my best on that video. But now I am using my professional setup, my webcam, and my professional mic. So hopefully the audio is a lot better. And like I said, I will fix this moving on forward. So let's get to the video, guys. Everybody knows that the new Moto E5 Play and the Moto G6 as well are coming out for Boost Mobile. They already came out, but the Moto E5 Play, as you see, I have it already reviewed it and did an unboxing. So it's out. The Moto G6, I think there's only one other YouTuber out there that actually got it, and I think it was by an error or something. I tried going to my Walmart today. I saw it there. On the little stand, it's $79.99, but they said they probably won't have it until about Friday, guys. So hopefully I'm trying to aim to either see, I have about 2 local Walmarts here in my area, so I'm going to go and see if I can find one at the other Walmart. If not, I will have to wait till about Friday till I can get my hands on one. And of course, you already know I'm going to review it, unbox it, and all that stuff. And the audio and the video quality is going to be super. I just got a new camera, guys, so can't wait for that. So let's get onto it. So like I said, as you guys know, when a prepaid carrier gets a version of, let's say, a very popular phone like the Moto G6, they will get dumbed down specs. Now, what I mean is they won't get the full specs. Now, guys, you have to understand that Boost Mobile is basically a prepaid carrier. It's a budget device. They usually have a lot of budget devices. So you might be saying, well, how come I can't get the Moto G6 32 gigs unlocked, or with all these fancy dandy like specs, 3 gigs of RAM? I think the Boost Mobile variant only has like 2 gigs of RAM and it's a 720 display. So guys, I have some very great news for you guys. A lot of people, like the title suggests, is can you use a Moto G6 unlocked variant on Boost Mobile? And today I'm answering that, and that is yes, guys. I was going to make a different video, but I decided to make this one first, and then my next video you'll see what I'm talking about, why you can use this. So I actually verified this already. Like I said, that will be the next video, so stay tuned with that, but this one sounded more important. So the Moto G6 32 gigabyte memory cell phone unlocked black. So as you can see, it's coming soon. Now that's one thing, it's not out just yet. It should be out in the next week or so. And this is on Best Buy. They just redid their whole website from the looks of it. So here we go. This is the black variant, even though Boost Mobile got the bluish looking one. And like you see, it does look a lot like the Moto G6 or the Moto E5 Play from the back, but it actually is like a glass looking in the back. Also has a fingerprint scanner, so it is the beefier version of it. So as you can see, it says enjoy Android 8.0 Oreo with the unlocked Motorola Moto G6 smartphone. Let's get to the specs of it, and we can see what we have. So this one actually has the Qualcomm Snapdragon 450 processor, octa-core at that, 1.8 gigahertz processor, and 3 gigabytes of RAM. Of course, Android 8.0 Oreo OS, universal unlocked, and here we go. This is what I want you guys to see. As you guys know, most unlocked phones will only work with GSM carriers like T-Mobile and AT&T, or Cricket, or even Metro. So compatible with all major US carriers, including Verizon, AT&T, Sprint, and T-Mobile. Also compatible with prepaid carriers, including Cricket Wireless, Boost Mobile, as you can see it's right there, Metro PCS, Simple Mobile, Total Wireless, TracFone, Net10, Mint, and H2O. So wow. So yes, you will be able to use it once it comes out on Boost Mobile. The only thing is you will have to have or buy a bring your own device SIM card, which you can get at Walmart or Best Buy for like $10. So 4G Lte Speeds. This one has a 5.7 full HD plus display. So immerse yourself in photos and videos on edge-to-edge max vision display and features scratch-resistant glass. This one has 12 megapixels in the back and 5 megapixels. Or is that the dual camera feature? Wait, hold up. Let me double check that. Oh, wow. It's dual camera. Never mind. Hold up. It's actually, wow. It's a 12 megapixel plus a 5 megapixel dual rear cameras. So record your favorite memories in great resolution. Camera software also includes landmark recognition and face unlock. Wow. So it will have face unlock. Also includes a front-facing 8 megapixel front-facing selfie camera. So there's two cameras in the back. As you can see, it's a 12 and a 5. Here you go, 12 and a 5. And then the front has 8. So wow, guys, definitely a much beefier version than the Boost Mobile variant, of course. 32 gigabytes of internal storage, but you can put an expandable storage up to 128 gigabytes. Wow, sold separately, of course. Wow, another cool thing, what I like I said from my previous review, is it does have an FM radio app, fingerprints sensor or scanner as well. Let's just get to more of the specifications. So it is unlocked to 1.8 gigahertz. Of course, the processor, front-facing camera, so 16 megapixels, I guess, if you had the 5, or wait, what? How's that 16? Is it the 12 and the 5? Yeah. Yeah, I don't know. It says 16 megapixels, but then there it says 12 and 5. So I don't know. Best Buy is always kind of sketchy. Snapdragon 450 front, and then see rear facing camera. It's 12 megapixels, and then what is it? Front facing camera. It's at 16 megapixels. Man, make up your mind, bro. Unless it has two front facing cameras as well, which I doubt. Nope. So I don't know. Like I said, Best Buy always gets their specs kind of wrong. So just take that with a little grain of salt. This is a 1080p display, so not 720 like the Boost Mobile variant. Battery capacity is 3,000 milliamps basically. Milliamperes hours. It does have turbocharging. That's one thing that I love about it. Like I said, carrier compatibility, Verizon, Sprint, AT&T, T-Mobile, Cricket, TracFone, blah, blah, simple, wireless, and of course, as you saw, Boost Mobile. There's all the antennas, frequencies, and all that stuff. So overall, it is very cool. Now you might be saying, isn't there another variant? Yeah, so here's $200 one. The one I just showed you, it's a $250 one, guys. So let's look at, this is just the Moto G6 Play. I think the other one was the Plus version. This one has a Qualcomm 1.4 gigahertz processor with 3 gigabytes of RAM. So the other one does have a beefier processor. Same thing, you can use this one with Boost Mobile, Cricket, Metro, and all that stuff. So basically this is a cheaper version of it, and then I guess Boost Mobile will be the cheaper budget or friendlier device. Same thing, it has 5.7-inch full HD display. Let's actually take a look at this one. So I mean, yeah, it looks a little bit smaller, I guess, or not as powerful. Same thing, 32 gigabytes of internal memory, 13 megapixel. This one does say it has 5 megapixel front facing camera. So like I said, you know, I always compare it to like cars. The $250 model, which is the Moto G6 Play. And I mean, okay, so the Play one is, like I said, the cheaper one. It's kind of like, let's say you get a GTR, and then the Moto G6 is the Nissan GTR Sport package. You know, it's, of course, you get more features in it and all that stuff. So the Play is the cheaper version of the two. So you can see some specifications. It's unlocked. So the processor is a little less at 1.4 compared to the one that was 1.8. This still does have 3 gigabytes of RAM, which I do like. This one has Qualcomm Snapdragon. Front facing cameras 5 compared to 8 or so that the other one has. Rear facing cameras 13 megapixels. This one has Snapdragon 427. Let's see, sensors. Does have a headphone jack. Wow, what is this? Look at the battery. It's 4,000. Wow. So what is 4,000? The other one only had 3,000. So I mean, the Play, I guess, is definitely meant for playing, which I would want a better processor as well. So I don't know. Expandable memory up to 128 gigabytes. Carrier compatibility. So yeah, guys. So it just, I don't know. For an extra $50, I would definitely go with the other one, even though the battery is less on it. It's a lot more powerful phone, that's for sure, with processor and of course the camera and all that stuff. But who knows? If you want to see my unboxing and review of the Moto G6 on Boost Mobile, then of course stay tuned, subscribe, click the notification button so you guys get notified when that will be up. I will try to get that up this week, so it's coming pretty soon, guys. Thanks for watching. Please comment, rate, subscribe. Dragon Warfare sign off. If you want to support this channel, please support me on Patreon. I really appreciate it, guys. Just helps me get better material to make these videos and all that stuff. So thank you.